Are you one of those people who like to go to doctors and tell them that I have done my research, I have read all medical studies, and I know that you are wrong, and you like to have a debate with them? You like to tell them to admit that yes, something this wrong can happen to less than 1% of the population, and you want a doctor to consider you in that less than 1% category? Hi, I'm Dr. Ankita. I'm a dermatologist, MD Ajkal, this is very common for youngsters to come to us and literally debate with us over them reading and making conclusions of medical studies. And when I talk to them, it seems like they have not come here to seek a solution from me. They've come here to maybe fight with me or maybe tell me that no, you are not the right person to practice medicine. And they want to blame all that has happened in their life, which is not right as per them, on evidence based medicine. I'll just give you one example. Now, I saw this picture on Instagram. Now, they are saying that this is a study which has shown more than 51% hair growth just by using LED lights. I opened this study, I read it in detail, complete article, and the major setback and the major limitation that I found in this study was nowhere have they mentioned. In this study, the patients did not use any other hair growth medicine or topical solutions. They were only on red light therapy. They have not mentioned this at all. So, for me, this is a very, very low quality study because it has a major bias in it. And I know that these red light devices are being pushed into the market, they are being hyped so that maximum profits can be gained by selling them. But do we have enough evidence to back them and give them as solo therapies? No, we don't. Now, as doctors, we are trained to sift through good studies, average studies, and bad studies. On the basis of that, incorporate them into our practice. I see many influencers quoting studies done on only rats and no human study in order to sell products that they are being promoted and they are being paid for. And they do it on the basis of just the headline of the study, conclusion, results. So I would just like to tell you, if you do not understand these words like randomized control trial, blinding, single blinded, double blinded, case, control, placebo controlled, all the types of biases that exist in human studies. If you do not know these basic things, then you are not the right person to quote medical study to anyone. And you're not right when you say to the doctor that I have done my research. Because basically, you have not researched, you have just gone through different Google pages and you have made your conclusions. Stay safe, stay aware of random study quoting people.